Hey YouTube, I'm James, and welcome to the Dime City Garage. As many of you already know, our main focus here has always been vintage motorcycles. Whether it's racing, building, attending events, or just the culture that grows from these beautiful machines, we've kept that momentum from the old school rolling fast in the 21st century. And now, a decade after the crew started doing this full time, these bikes are not only still relevant and therapeutic, but could even be argued romantic. Sup, Insta? Furthermore, now you can share this passion and excitement with the world in seconds. We have thoroughly enjoyed seeing the passion, the infatuation that our customers have shared with us from around the world over the years, and trust me, we've been watching. You guys are a big reason our heart still revs and appreciate the continued support of our followers and subscribers. Moving ahead, we want to keep these old bikes and all the new ways to care for and enjoy them at the forefront of our mission, and that starts with folks like you. Platforms like YouTube allow us to come together as a vintage motorcycle community and stay connected no matter where you are in the world. So we're fully stoked to announce that we're launching a new series on YouTube channel called Speed Freaks, powered by Dime City Cycles. Speed Freaks is a series that will focus its energy on the DIY builder, the shade tree mechanic, the after work, late night, light in the garage hero getting down and dirty to help these vintage machines stay alive. This series is for the community. For the first installation of the new series, we'll be working on a build in a collaboration the likes of which we believe is the very first of its kind. The DCC Crew has reached out to one of your peers and invited them all the way to the Dime City Garage from the United Kingdom. He's a real do-it-yourself, make-it-work, stool for an engine stand, literally started building in the garden kind of guy. His name is Antony, and you might recognize him from his YouTube channel, FORTHEBOLD. Antony is accustomed to showcasing his creative process and turning out some real head turners, all from a single tiny car garage. Be sure to make your way to his YouTube channel linked in the description below. Together we'll be documenting this build from start to finish, behind the scenes and more. He's certainly inspired us, and we hope our combination of styles and ingenuity inspires you to pick up a wrench and start creating too. As far as the build details are concerned, we have some great plans in motion. First off, this bike is for a great cause. What does that mean for you? Well, it means we'll be giving this bike away at the biggest vintage motorcycle event of the year. That's right, plan your trip for the 2019 Barber Vintage Festival now. If you've been wrenching in a cave or are just new to the scene, take the Barber link in the description below. Do yourself a favor and explore it. There isn't enough time in this segment to convey just how incredible this event and facility really are. We'll be providing info on how you can enter to win this bike in the near future, so hang tight and keep checking back. Now, in the process of bringing this build to life, DCC and Antony aren't the only ones calling the shots. So who else is determining the outcome of this build? You are. And it all starts now with the very first decision: what bike are we building? What style of bike will it be? Comment below on the bike that you'd like to see us tag team. Is it an XS, a CX, Virago, Cafe Racer, Tracker Bobber? Who knows? Along the way we'll have other decisions that we'll need your input on. And for that, be sure to follow us on Facebook. This build is just as much yours as it is ours. So we believe this project to be a great step forward in helping the old world integrate with the new. I know I'm excited about it, everyone here in my DCC garage is excited about it, and we're hoping you're excited too. So without further ado, Antony, welcome to the crew.
Thanks for the intro, James, and thank you Dime City Cycles for inviting me to your workshop at Tampa in Florida. I'm so looking forward to it. We're going to have an absolute cracking build on our hands, whatever viewers decide to choose, whatever bike they decide to choose, and whatever style they decide to choose as well, so it's all in their hands. So for those of you that don't know me, for all the followers of Dime City that aren't familiar with me and my YouTube channel, so what I do, I am, as James has said, I am a true DIY builder. I have a limited supply of tools, definitely a limited supply of space. I'm currently sitting now with 5 bikes surrounding me in this tiniest of workshops. But it's fun, it's fun, it's my hobby, it's my passion, and I love creating these bikes. And that's what my channel hopefully gives out to people out there, is the confidence to work on their bikes for the very first time. People that may not have ever I've lifted a wrench, or people that may only have limited knowledge of how to do an oil change on a bike, giving them that confidence to be able to work on their own bike and to know that if anyone ever does get stuck, there's plenty of information out there on YouTube and everyone can always give me a shout if they do get stuck. I might not always have the answer for them, but worth a try. But this is what we are. We are a community of garage builders, shed builders, and there's nothing we love more than stripping a bike down and seeing it come back together. So as James has mentioned, I will be coming down to Florida to build a bike on May the 1st, and we'll be starting a series, we'll be starting a new bike series on both Down City's channel and my channel as well. So if you don't already know who I am, check out my YouTube channel, see my finished build, see my current build, and see if you like my style. If you do, then I hope that you're along with the journey. So, Down City, I hope you've got plenty of tea bags out there, because I drink tea like nobody's business. So that is it from me. I hope to see you guys at Down City very, very soon in these next few weeks, and I hope to see your viewers as well on these channels, and as well at whatever get-togethers, meet and greets, or whatever that we sort out whilst I'm down there. So, until a couple of weeks' time, looking forward to it. See you guys soon. I can't actually wait to get some nice warm weather. Actually, it's too cold to even move my hands at the moment. See you soon, guys.
Thanks, Ant. I can't wait to see you walk through the doors here at DCC. But until then, everyone watching, remember to comment below on the bike model and style you want to see us build. Follow us on Facebook to cast your votes, and follow us on Instagram to see some cool behind-the-scenes photos. Thanks for watching.